how to change currency in Roblox. So here, if I click on the Roblox icon and I click on buy Robux, as you can see, this is going to be my currency. Now, your currency is linked to your account location. So if you want to change it, you have to change your account location. You can do that by clicking on or going to the Roblox home page and changing /home to /support. Now, right here, you have to provide your username. First name is optional. Username is important, and you want to type your email address and confirm it here. Basically, type it twice. What device are you having the problem on? We are going to choose the device which we use to play. For me, it's going to be PC, and the type of help category is going to be how to. The help subcategory type is going to be how to change my location, and you want to explain that you are in a new country. I am currently located in, and this is where you will type your country, and I would like to update my Roblox country to it. And this is going to, they might ask you for confirmation that you are indeed in that country. And once you confirm, then this is going to change your currency for your Robux here on the website, app, and everything else. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.